Hello and welcome to Random Spark TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious scrambled eggs in your microwave. You're going to need a microwavable dish, cooking spray, 2 to 3 eggs, a whisk or a fork. So let's get started. First, you want to spray the microwavable dish with cooking spray, like so. Next, you want to crack your eggs into the bowl. Making sure you don't get any eggshells in it. After that, whisk it up for a few seconds. Then pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds to start. After 30 seconds, this is what it looks like. You want to stir it up a bit and put it back in the microwave for 30 more seconds. Okay, this is what it looks like after another 30 seconds. You want to stir it up and put it back in the microwave for 30 more seconds. So after about a minute and 20 seconds, a minute 30, this is what the final product looks like. And this is how you make scrambled eggs in your microwave.